Hello, my name is Steve Delessio, and I'm the Executive Director here at the American Precision Museum in Windsor, Vermont. Hey, so why Windsor, Vermont? Let me tell you why. Windsor, Vermont was located on the Connecticut River and on Mill Brook, and that was a big source of water power. So companies came here to build their factories because of the water power.
The building that I'm standing in is one of what was 5 buildings at the peak, and it was constructed in 1846 and very purposefully next to the Mill Brook so that the water could naturally be used to power the equipment. We want to preserve and honor the history of the things that happened here, the impact that they've made on the world and the industry, but also to educate people about not only what happened and the stories behind them, but the opportunities that exist today in manufacturing, and then inspire the next generation and those that are either underemployed or underserved to figure out how they might play a part.
So one of the key elements of machining is the cutting tool itself. And in the early 1800s or so, tools would wear out and break down very quickly. When McKenna added titanium to carbide, that was a game changer in the industry for cutting tools. Kennametal has joined us as a corporate partner. We're so grateful for that. And what also comes with that is the history of cutting tool technology.
Hi, my name is Ashley Weber, and I'm the Marketing Communications Manager for the Americas region here at Kennametal.
And I'm Keith Mudge, Vice President of Sales at Kennametal.
We're here at the American Precision Museum in Windsor, Vermont, and we're really excited to show you guys the exhibit for Kennametal that we've installed today. It's showcasing a moment in time, 1938, where our founder, Philip McKenna, invented the tungsten carbide cutting tools in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, and it showcases our company's history, where we've come from, and who we are today.
So this display took a lot of effort to put together. Working with Jerry Hanna at Kennametal, we went through some of our old artifacts that we had found all throughout our corporate technology center in Latrobe, Pennsylvania.
Artifacts here that speak to his early leadership. We have a hiring letter where he hired his first 12 employees. We have pictures of the very first shop in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. We have his Hall of Innovators Award. We have the Modern Machine Shop ad, which first ran in 1938. And we have lots of early cutting tools and their matching catalogs and original packaging.
Every time I come, I find something new. I learn something new. It's really fun to learn about the industry that we live and work every day. And I just encourage people to come and see how it all started, and then also come and see Kennametal and how we all started.
I hope everyone will take time out to come to the American Precision Museum in Windsor, Vermont to see the new Kennametal display and the innovation that took place in the cutting tool industry.